Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Nengi cries in the diary room after Biggie said this to her.
It's left for you to decide if you would rather accept his proposal or you would rather make new friends.
Nengi and Ozo narrative has been all over the internet for quite a while now. It is probably one of the major highlights of the show. After Ozo got saved from eviction last night, he probably had a rethink and started to listen to what his friends have advised him to do about his situation with Nengi. Last night, they both had an exclusive conversation about what she wanted a relationship with Ozo to be like in the house. In the diary room today, Nengi just could not hold back her tears because she felt she might lose a friend because she thinks she would be responsible for his heartbreak.
Yeah, but I just feel like I want us to still be friends. Like, I don't know if it doesn't work in this. I don't know if it doesn't work in the world where I can be friends with someone and
While she was expressing herself, she just could not hold back her tears. Her emotions were very high. Then she complained about how Ozo completely ignored her in the gym earlier today. She said she tried to exchange pleasantries with him, but then he showed her a repulsive attitude and she felt bad for herself. In her narration, she so much wishes to be on a friendship level with Ozo, but Ozo is just not interested in just being friends and wants them to move past that level. Biggie responding advised Nengi not to feel guilty for rejecting Ozo's advances. He told Nengi to either accept Ozo's proposal or make new friends at the moment. Do not feel guilty for rejecting Ozo's advances, Biggie said. Accept his proposal or make new friends. If there is another option, it is left for you to find it, Biggie told Nengi. On hearing this, Nengi broke down in tears as she couldn't control her emotion. Guys, what do you think about Nengi and Ozo's relationship in the Big Brother NAIJA lockdown house? Please let me know what you think will be the outcome of their relationship. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.